Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix Instagram opening problem. To know how to fix Instagram opening problem, you should just go to settings like this. After that, in this page, you will go down to apps, default apps, app settings. When you will see this list, you will go down to find the application of Instagram here. And when you will see this list in this page, you will go to first stop. When you will end this, you will enter to storage. After that, in this page, you will go to clear cache, and then you will click clear data. And after all that, you can turn off your Wi-Fi. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another